Welcome to Fix My Home channel. I'm Sean. Today I want to show you how you can fix the leaking shower. So as you see, this shower is leaking around actually 2 weeks. So it was leaking a little in the beginning, but now it's getting a lot. So if you wait more, you're getting more leak. So make sure to fix that. So to fix the your shower leak, there is a cover here, so you can take that one off. You take this part off, and before that we have to turn off the water from main valve. So I turn off the main water. As you see, there is no leak. So the shower is not leaking. There is a 3 screw here, so I'm going to take this 3 screw off. Oh, we have a pressure. Let me see. I turned off the main valve, but it still got pressure. So we have to open one of the sink, so to drain all the water. So I open the sink here. So I drain all the water. Let's see again. So we're good. So as you see, this gasket is almost off. So the main thing you have to replace, we have to replace this gasket or this part. I find this part in the Amazon.com. I put the link in description. I replaced the cartridge, but it didn't work, so I had a leak again. So I found that it's not that part, it's the part behind that. It's called American Standard Pressure Balance. So we have to replace that one, so to stop the water. So we start all over again. Let's do it. Here you go, water just stopped. So thank you for watching. Make sure subscribe the channel for more video. See you next time.